What up, guys? Your boy Gabe the Gent, aka the Collector, aka Mr. Thrift, aka once upon a time Mr. Kicks. Today, showing y'all a couple of little project I'm doing today. Copped a couple hats from the local flea thrift. Don't exactly remember. This one's pretty decent. Just got to clean the brim. This one's beat up. Got the stickers. You can see that really flat. This one's kind of clean, obviously unshaped, dirty, unshaped, beat up, dirty. Maybe a personal. We'll see. It might be listed anyways. Nice little strap back. It'll take a kid to the park kind of hat. Gonna clean them up and try to reshape them, give them some new life, and then go from there. Little hobby. Obviously the hats don't come too expensive. Oh, that one's that's really ugly. Yeah, a couple of these might be personal, so the other ones I might list. Catch me on Instagram at Mr. Thrifts, MrThrifts. Link will be in the description. All that good stuff. So, yep, stay tuned. So we've washed them. Probably the best shape is this Titans one, really nice. Just needed the brim, like I said. The roughest shape, probably the Knicks one, just because it has a lot of distressed hair and stuff like that. I am gonna invest in one of those fabric shavers. Just gotta look for the best price. The Lakers one's okay. Got to reshape that one. That one's probably the nicest just because of the logo. I don't mess with the Dolphins, but that's a nice hat. And obviously it's Bucks Life over here. But washed them. The next, this one's probably just gonna need drying, and that one not too much shaping because it's like a strap back hat, a Velcro hat. These three are gonna need a little bit of shaping. So I'm gonna do that later. Just want to make sure that these are as clean as possible before I do that, and then show you guys an end result. For now, they're gonna bake in the sun a little bit. So the next step is reshape the hat. It's still a little damp. Using a rice cooker bottom, some plastic bags under there to reshape the hat, and then spray it over with some starch, and then let it dry completely. And we'll see what's up after that. This one is pretty much ready to go. The shape was always there. Cleaned it up. Really nice brim. Almost there. I got Music City Football in the front or in the inside. I'm gonna work on those. I'm really looking forward to looking at the Dolphins one. This one's probably gonna stay with me. I really like this. Kind of like a corduroy hat. Strap Velcro back here. Nice little Buccaneers. Nice little low-key hat. Really nice. I like the color, the material, so I might just keep this one. But yeah, I'm gonna work on that one. I know I need to get a fabric shaver for that one, and then the Dolphins, I got to reshape that one real nice. So working on the Lakers one right now, and then go from there. Hopefully show you some final shots of the ready to go hats. Again, check out my Instagram. If you see anything you like, hit me in DM, let me know. And I got all of it on Mercari as well, so once that sells, I'll usually delete it. So let me know. Yep. So here we got the Lakers hat. What the hell is going on? Got the Lakers hat. As you can see, the shape is a little bit there. Still got a little bit of creasing there, but overall, like the progress on this one. What I did notice is the strap back here is a little loose. Might have to get somebody to stitch that again. Yeah, I did notice that. But this one I'm pretty happy with. The next one I'm gonna work on is this the Dolphins one. So just sprayed this one up with starch. Shaped it the way I kind of want it to be. Still a learning process, but see how it comes out. Super Bowl 7. Got it shaped up. Yeah. Brim got cleaned up. Still a little bit of stain there, but did the best we could. Ready for Instagram. What up, guys? Boy, Mr. Thrift's back again after the reshaping of the hats. The last one was this dolphin one. Really happy with the way it came out. Cleaned it up as best as I could. Really nice. That's up right now. I got the Lakers one. The Titans one was the best shape. This one I was going to keep, but didn't fit me. It's a strap back, so list that. And then the one, I haven't pulled it off the shaper, but let's do that right now. So as you can see, some of the bags I use to shape. What I use, this is it's from a rice cooker. So it doubles as a shaper and a rice cooker. Take these out. Boom, starts it up. There you go, look at that. Ready to go. Clean the brim, bottom. See a little bit of watermark there a little bit, but cleaner than before. There you go, buddy. Let me know what you think. Check me out on Mr. Thrifts. These will all be for sale. See the price, make me an offer. Check you all later. Peace.